guys, welcome back. So this is the second set of Halloween nails I'm doing. I'm getting started with this nude pinky jelly nail polish. I'm going to be applying the first coat. Okay, so now I'm going in with this glitter pinky gel polish, and I'm going to be adding 2 coats of this, and I am curing in between. Now I'm going in with my Beetles top coat, and I'm just going to be applying 1 layer. Now I'm going to be going in with this fuchsia gel polish right here. Such a pretty color. I'm going to be using this dotting tool here. So I'm going to be writing the letter B on this nail. Once I'm done, I am going to cure, and then I'm going to continue with the other 2 nails. Alright guys, so once I'm done with that, I went ahead and did these little pink bats on my crease cut, and now I'm going to be pasting them on my nail, making sure that they are stuck and that they're not lifting. Now I'm going to be adding some top coat to them to seal them. I'm going to be curing them for 60 seconds. So for my pinky nails, I decided to add some rhinestones to them, so that's what I'm going to be doing. And I also decided to add some rhinestones to my thumbnail. So I'm just going to add 5 little rhinestones to this one. Okay, and lastly, I like to go in with some alcohol and wipe down the rhinestones just to remove any residue from them, and they could be sparkly. And this is how my set look, guys. So now I'm just going to be putting them on my hands. So here they are, guys. I hope you guys like them. I love how they turn out. And then I did decide to add some drippings on the letters. I totally forgot to record that, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.